fun facts. Wait. Girls, you want a cake? Yeah, you want cake? Okay, let's go eat the cake. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Bunnie Cakes, and today we are gonna show you how to decorate a beautiful Easter table. Woo! To set up your Easter table, the first tip that I'm gonna tell you is use what you have. And what you need is different sizes and heights of flower pots. I didn't have like a color palette this time. I just went with all the colors and what I chose and found in the supermarket. For the desserts, so I'm gonna use these cupcake towers. As you can see, I'm using some cookie jars for these flower pots because that's what I had available. I have this beautiful Easter eggs that you can put around. I went to a friend's house once and we really were having a hard time putting stuff together. And this was our idea of putting everything together that we had, and everything looked really cute. I'm gonna bring my desserts now. We had the cupcake trays, and I also have the egg carton where you can put them inside, and they look super cute and adorable. And a cute Easter table needs a cute Easter cake. We have a plain frosted cake with vegan buttercream that we make with Florida crystals. This is the powdered sugar we use, which is perfect to make and finish your buttercream. To make the bunny, we're gonna use one piping bag with two different colors of frosting or buttercream. Just squeeze and release. Just small dots all over the top of the cake. We have another color. This will make and transform into a bunny cake. Okay, now we're gonna put some eyes on the bunny. With black fondant, you're gonna roll over the fondant on your hands and do this small string and put it on your cake to make it look like the eye. The nose, we're gonna put our signature pink hearts. All right, the bunny is looking better with the eyes and the nose. Now, what do we need? Ears. There you go. The ears go on top of the cake, and voila! Here's your bunny cake for Easter. Super cute. Happy Easter, guys! It's good luck to wear a brand new outfit for Easter Sunday. So now I'm ready to go egg hunting. Remember, please subscribe, like, and comment below. And good luck with your egg hunting.